Today is September, I don't know. I was working night shift, so I'm not used to it. Hey, what's the date today?
14th, my parents' anniversary.
Oh yeah, happy anniversary, Jeff and Judy. So anyways, it's the 14th. So we're gonna start harvesting our potatoes. Last year we did okay. I think we got a little basket. This year we started using these big party tubs. Those seem to do okay. And then we still use the 5-gallon buckets that I am unchivalrous. I don't know if that's a word. Anyways, Anna's doing all the heavy work lifting. So, alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and cut the video for a second, and we'll get back when she starts pulling through the potatoes. Alright, well,
Nothing.
We're testing. So we're 0 for 2.
Nothing.
0 for 3.
Nothing.
0 for 4. Little tiny one. That ain't good eating though. Might have some stuff in that one. Leave those alone, Spock.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Let's dump this out.
We're dumping. Oh, I see some. Hey!
Hey.
Hey!
Teeny tinies.
No teenies. Well, is this the chicken poop you said that was on Spock? Because if not, that's new chicken poop. Hey, look at the potatoes. How many did we start with? You put like 3.
I put 3.
Next year we're gonna grow the potatoes in my greenhouse on an automatic water system.
And you know that that thing you're doing?
Yeah, the gutter system.
Yeah, that'll be good for the compost tea because you just.
Yeah, it'll be good for any kind of stuff. Like you can just put it right in there, any kind of organic fertilizer.
Are you sitting in the dirt?
Yep.
Totes getting a bad dog.
Max is over there playing in the onions. Alright, well I don't think we have any more potatoes in this one.
No.
Alright, well, let's see what the next bucket does. Alright, here's bucket number 2.
These are white potatoes.
These are white potatoes.
That's some like teeny tiny ones.
There we go. Looks like a kidney. Actually, that looks like the whole anatomy of a kidney. You got the kidney, you got the renal vessels right here. Who knew you guys were going to tune in and get a biology lesson as well? That looks kind of like a mist. I was looking through the camera. Okay. Hey!
White potatoes equal good.
No kind of potatoes for these?
Gales.
Oh.
$2 a pound. You hit that one over there.
There's some nice size ones. There's a few.
Really good for oven roasting.
Yep. Okay. So it was nice. There's a lot of worms in there. Alright, these are red potatoes. This is our third bucket. And if we didn't say already, we only watered these, I think, what, 2 or 3 times, if that?
Not very many.
This year.
Terrible waterers.
Yeah. It's our high-tech harvesting equipment over here.
It's got good roots.
Yeah. You got dirt in my foot.
Sorry.
Little itty bitties. Some good roots. Did we compost tea these at all?
I did a couple times.
Our compost tea this year, you could definitely tell that it makes a difference.
Any more?
Nope. You can actually see when you watch the like when you watch through the screen here, you can see the red more in the dirt.
Clear.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's. What do you got there? 20. And you planted 3?
Yeah. I mean, some of them were tiny.
Yeah. These ones look like red ones. It's a nice worm.
It's not nice. I see one big one right there.
It's a rock.
No, that one.
I know.
Oh, I thought you were like...
Ma, I think I should put my glasses
Oh, it
back
looks
on.
like there's a combo, white and reds. I know there's one bucket I planted both.
That, hey.
This is not spot you would have taken off with one.
So I'm thinking that these blue 17-gallon ones are doing better with the potatoes. There's a little bit more room. The soil's nice and wet, but there's a pole USB plastic piece in here. Must be an organic.
This is bucket 5 of 6.
We got an onion. Yep, smells good. Bonus bucket. Okay, long leg. I think this one did really good because these are.
I think those made probably the white ones. The white ones seem to be doing a lot more. Maybe. That's a pretty good size one.
Mm-hmm. That's them store-bought potatoes. Oh, it's not. It don't laugh at me. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, it looked like a garlic clove. Nope.
Final bucket. Grasshopper.
What?
There's a grasshopper.
Oh.
It's over there now.
There we go. This looks like a combo bucket too. Huh, there's a potato bug in the potato. Becky, you like playing in dirt, buddy? You get it?
He's coming back for more.
This one started sprouting some more. I think these are just actually all red ones. But just didn't turn red. Probably. See the eyes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Almost
So
2.5 gallons. Cool.
Yep, for almost minimal work.